Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Rui, and in this video I'm going to be talking about connector versions. Versioning allows you to maintain different versions of the same protocol. To take a look at these versions, you can navigate to protocols and templates. You can select a connector, and on the column on the right under versions you will see all available versions for this particular connector. The production label is a pointer that refers to an existing connector version. This is so that if you have several elements running on top of the same version of the same connector, perhaps in the order of hundreds, and there's a new version that you would like to assign, instead of having to do that individually one by one per each element, you can simply change the production version to that new connector version. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to show you how you can upload a new version of a connector and assign it to an element. To do this, we're going to be working with a switch, or a duplicate switch that I created and placed on my personal staging area that looks like this. Now, connector versions usually happen in the wake of significant improvements made to that connector, but for this demo we're going to do something very simple, like changing the display name of a parameter. We're not going to be looking at the visual overview because some text may be hard-coded, so we're going to be looking at the data pane instead. And this is the parameter which we plan on changing to justify the new version for our connector. To do so, we're going to the protocol in its raw XML version and look for this parameter. I happen to know by heart its ID, so we can just jump straight to it. And here it is. And instead of system description, I'm going to be calling it additional system information. Doesn't really matter. And now we can go up and change the protocol version to a different value. So this one happens to be the production, and I'm going to change it to 3D instead of 3B. Now, to upload a new version, all you have to do is go to protocols and templates, click upload, and find the protocol XML file. Now that the protocol has been added, we can assign it to the element. First, all you have to do is right-click on the element in the surveyor, go to Edit, and in the version field, you assign the new version you just created, and then click Apply. Once the new version is assigned, we can see now from the data page that the parameter name has indeed been modified. And this is how you can manage the versions of your connectors and assign it to elements. I hope that by now you have a solid grasp on connector versioning. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.